So today I am going to teach you about enteric nervous system. The definition of enteric nervous system: it is the part of the autonomic nervous system present in the wall of the alimentary canal extending from esophagus to anus. It is sometimes called the brain of the gut. The brain of the gut. So the component of enteric nervous system consists of two main plexus. Orbeck plexus, that is also called myenteric plexus, present in the muscularis externa layer. There are layers of histologically there are layers, mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa. So Orbeck plexus or myenteric plexus is present in muscularis externa. It is located between the circular and longitudinal muscle layers. It controls motility, peristalsis and muscle tone of the gut wall. So myenteric plexus control motility. Then is submucosal plexus, that is also called Meissner plexus. It is located in submucosa and it controls secretions and blood flow of the mucosa. So enteric nervous system contain two plexuses, myenteric plexus and submucosal plexus. Myenteric plexus is present in muscularis externa and submucosal plexus is present in submucosa. And Orbeck's plexus controls the motility and Meissner plexus controls secretion and blood flow of the mucosa. The next thing is the function. What enteric nervous system do? It coordinate peristaltic movements, and secretions, local blood flow, operates independently but is influenced by the sympathetic and parasympathetic fibers. So its function is peristaltic movement, secretion of digestive juices, local blood flow, and it is influenced by sympathetic and parasympathetic fibers. The next thing is connections. Connections are parasympathetic nerves, mainly vagus and pelvic symplectic, that stimulate the enteric nervous system, and then sympathetic nerves inhibit its activity. Parasympathetic stimulates the enteric nervous system, and what sympathetic nervous system do? It inhibits its activity. The next thing, what is the clinical importance of enteric nervous system? If there are disorders of enteric nervous system, it can cause motility problems like heat spring disease, in which part of colon lack enteric ganglion cells. So what we have studied, that enteric nervous system is a part of autonomic nervous system and it extends from the esophagus to the anus. It is also called the brain of the gut. It consists of two plexuses, Orbeck's plexus and Meissner plexus. Orbeck plexus is also called myenteric plexus and it is present in muscularis externa and it controls the motility. And Meissner's plexus is present in submucosa and it controls secretions and blood flow. And the function of enteric nervous system: peristaltic movements, it controls peristaltic movements, secretion, local blood flow, and it operates independently but is influenced by sympathetic and parasympathetic fibers. So the next thing, connection. Parasympathetic fibers, nerves stimulate enteric nervous system, and sympathetic nerves inhibits its activity. In parasympathetic nerves there are two nerves, vagus and pelvic symplectic nerves. Clinical importance, disorders of enteric nervous system cause heat spring disease. Thank you so much. So this is all about enteric nervous system and it is from Laiq, Hussain, General Anatomy.